Hey, what's up? I'm Al Cox. I make games, play games, and everything in between. And today we are polishing. My game is almost done. I've been working on this game for way too long. I think I've been working in 4 different countries. I'm not even keeping track. It's been more than 6 months. And I've had a blast playing the game, a blast making the game. I need to finish, and right now I'm just going through all the levels. The world settings are good, and doing that 1 or 2 times, making sure each level has some like pizzazz at the very beginning to catch the player's attention, tidying up as much as possible, but also I'm trying to finish this game this week. I need to get to it, get on it, get going, finish it. And done. Okay, I have done so much. I went through all my levels, took my favorite levels and added them to the random. So now when you beat the game or get past level 50, you then go to random mode forever, which is kind of cool. I added the ability to remove ads for 99 coins or 99 cents. That's on the pause button, but I suspect nobody will do that. What else? For ad monetization, I tested Deal and then talked to some people and instead just decided to use AdMob. The good news is I got Deal to work, which I was surprised because the documentation I have on it is pretty old, but it works. So it's something that I know I can fall back on. AdMob. Now has the mediation ability, so I can work with Ad Colony, App11. The only downside to AdMob mediation is you have to set up accounts with all these different monetization strategies, and then that's where the money will go. I'm not planning to make like money off of this game. A lot of people go into making games with the sole intent to make that money. Obviously, eventually, someday, making money would be dope. For me, it's currently not the priority. I do ad tech on the side, so financially, I'm good and I don't actually need a lot anyways. Okay, gonna set it to pre-order. This game was a lot of fun to make. I learned a lot. I believe the next game I make, I'm gonna just do it in less time. Obviously, having a YouTube channel and reviewing games all the time takes up time. Let me show you my favorite thing is here. This is the last level, level 50. And I actually like this level very much. So here, like this is easy. Well, easy. Let me finish first. And here's the remove ads I was talking about. The downside here is that if you click it and purchase it, you'll still see the collect 99 and remove ads. So I'll have to figure something out there. But what I wanted to show you, this is what happens when you beat the game. This is the coolest level, level 38. And you just kind of see it. It's super laggy, which I think is primarily because I'm running multiple things at once. And you can see game by Al Cox. Oh shit, and watch the making of on YouTube, but now I'm dead, so. Oh, hey, I did not expect that to happen. So it shouldn't be laggy. I should definitely test this on my phone. I will definitely test this on my phone. Just a fun little way of saying game over, you know, and congratulations to whoever beat the game. The game is supposed to be, is supposed to be easy. Not easy, but not so difficult, but challenging. Okay, so now here we go. This is all the random levels. And then I put that white bar there because it's a way to help prevent, prevent object from going to one scene to another scene. I should probably remove that. And this is the game over scene. I was trying to make it a little bit different than the traditional one. So maybe I'll spend some more time on that, but not too much time. Basically, the game is ready to go and upload to the App Store, so I'm excited. This was a lot of work. I will try to create a better scope for my next game. I'm thinking do something in 7 days just to get some quick stuff so that I can spend time making games quickly and easily without having to code. And I know in Buildbox 3 I will have to learn how to use JavaScript. So yeah, thanks for following along on this process. Hopefully you have pre-ordered the game. Yeah, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Let me know what you think of the game. Play it, beat it. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell. I will see you next time.